This was a good fight. I won. You lost.
I can't believe I lost. No, no, this can't be happening.
After the entire situation ended and he was alone,
You lost the fight. You are simply weak and useless. I said I won the fight. I also said you're weak, useless, and stupid.
Really? So that's how you see me? We're officially enemies. I hate that guy. I'm gonna make him pay. I'm gonna do things to him. I'm gonna make him pay. I'm gonna make him pay. So in journaling, you are trying to reduce the influence of the subconscious. First, you get a pen and paper. You write down the situation as you can remember it. He called me a loser while he was laughing at me. Then next, you write down the causes. Cause 1, we're having a fight, so that may be his way of celebrating how he wins. Cause 2, I may have acted the same way if I had won the fight. Next, you write down the way the mental imagery or subconscious thoughts came to you. I had a thought, or would I say I saw an image of him saying I am useless and stupid in my mind. So you write the image down. Lastly, you now write evidence against the mental image. Number 1, I have won some fight in the past. Number 2, this is just one aspect of my life, so losing this fight doesn't mean I have not excelled in other areas of life. Number 3, it doesn't make sense to think that somebody is stupid just because they have better skills than me and they won. Number 4, I'm good at sports, holding conversations, and repairing electronics. So these 4 reasons are enough to know that the mental images or the thoughts are not true. So I don't have to respond to them. If you would like to know more about therapy or how to have access to a therapist, please reach out to me.